Hey, welcome brand new video with me, Shohag King. Today I will talk about the future. I'm sorry if I'm mistaken spelling. So I was surprised by when I was watching his video how to find and do work that you love. He is explain us to professionally how to get this circle and how to know what the job I am love actually to do. So I have lot of certificate. I paid bunch of money to achieve those certificate when I was in uni. But look at him, look at this channel. They're giving all those course is free. Oh my god. So there has professional web page too, so if you want you can buy their courses from this web page, and if you don't you can go his playlist and you can see how many courses they're giving free. Example, if you go here for this you see 57 videos, 150 videos, 106 video. All those video they're giving free. Just come over his channel and learn from him and subscribe him. I subscribe him too, you subscribe him too, and subscribe me as well to get more and more knowledge about YouTube, best YouTuber in the world. So thank you for watching my video. Hopefully this video is helpful for you. If it's helped, comment me below and subscribe me. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.